While being in an urban setting, the house is surrounded by a Kanuka forest. It's in a valley, and so it feels like you're in the mountains somewhere. The house is split over 4 levels, cascading down the side of the valley. That allows it to maintain a connection with the ground without becoming this hulking sort of presence on the landscape. The house itself is a series of forms that are wrapped in the cladding, prefa aluminium panels. It's all hand folded on site. Well, it's aluminium, it's got a zinc coating which gives it a very soft texture. And those forms orientate towards the lake and mountains beyond. The form of the house creates a courtyard, but we didn't want to obscure the view of the Kanuka forest on the opposite side of the valley. So we created slots through the house which would provide glimpses of that forest. Client was very hands-on from a materials point of view. He did most of the staining of the interior timbers himself, and he was open to using unusual materials. We've used the strand board in the kitchen, in various parts of the joinery, the stairs. It's been oiled to make it look a little bit richer and have more depth than you would normally expect from it. The rammed earth is all done in situ. They put the apprentice in a tall plywood box and try and cover him in dirt while he frantically rams the earth down. Rammed earth has a great deal of thermal mass, and so it works well in a climate with extremes. The client's also a winemaker, and so that connection to the earth was very important to him. The house was thermally modelled to see where it might overheat or be too cold. As part of that, we put sliding screens in the upstairs bedrooms. They shade the house from the late afternoon sun. It's becoming clear that designers and clients are more aware of sustainable issues around building. It is an expensive thing to do, and so our role as designers, I think, is to try and push that theme with the powers that be, the government, local authorities, and make it easier for people to make good choices.